everyone, welcome to another episode of THD. This week we are actually talking about organic skincare. At the facial place where we work, we have organic skincare. We carry the Eminence Organics Skin Care line. And what we're learning is how different ingredients are so good for your skin, such as strawberries and rhubarb.
Right.
Which kind of gives me an idea, actually. I'll be right back.
Why
Just
am I
bear with me.
always the
Bear
guinea
with me.
pig? You gonna hose me off on the front lawn again?
Okay, head back. Feel the exfoliation. Oh, sorry.
Oh my god!
I need a baster. Ah! Does it feel exfoliating? I think it's exfoliating.
There has to be an easier way.
Oh yeah, I can't forget the rhubarb.
Just can't see anything. Oh, what is that?
It's the rhubarb.
What is that?
Just getting a little rhubarb in there for hydration.
Not there.
Let me just scoop some of that off with the rhubarb.
Oh,
There we
that's
go.
so gross.
Maybe we should leave it up to the facial place for the strawberry facials.
If I could see you, I'd agree with you.
Are you so excited to be a client
I'm
today?
so excited to be getting a facial.
So jealous. I gotta work after this.
I know, I'm so sorry.
Lucky.
How does your skin feel?
Feels so amazing.
I don't think you got all the cuts that you needed. I think we need to start over again. Take it from the top?
Take it from the top.
Wow.
Gorgeous. After work, after facial, your skin looks amazing.
But I'm so relaxed. My face feels super hydrated. The smells of the strawberry
Yeah.
rhubarb mask.
I was filming and I wanted to eat the mask off of her face.
Right.
No makeup. Look at her
makeup.
skin. It's unbelievable. It's even, it's plump, it's
Yeah.
smooth.
It was an hour of pure bliss.
Treat yourself, treat your skin. Go to the facial place and get the new Strawberry Rhubarb Facial. You will not regret it. Your skin will thank you. Your senses will thank you. Reduce your toxic load and use organic skincare,
Yeah.
right?
Baby steps, people.
Eminence Organics helps you reduce your toxic load. The wine's kicking in.
I'm pretty sure we're done.
Are we okay?
Yeah, I think so.